Good morning, guys. We're back again for a weekly vlog, and it's actually morning this time, I promise. It's after 11 on Sunday. I'm starting the vlogs on Sunday now. I would have explained this in the last vlog that you guys would have seen, but we are rushing to Rapid because we weren't successful in finding a door in my last vlog. So we've figured out that they have doors, so we're gonna see what the selection is for doors that they have. You guys would have seen that we went to, how many places did we go? Was it three? Three different places looking for doors, and it was not successful. It's either the doors are sold out or they're just not nice doors, you know, and it's an inside door, so it needs to be a decent looking thing, you know. But yeah, that's what we're doing with our Sunday. Curfew is at 2 p.m. so we need to rush to Rapid because they close at 12. See what they have, and then I also need to rush back home to finish editing my vlog that you guys would have watched before this. I need to rush home to get that out to you guys, and then I also want to go to the gym, but I don't think I'm gonna go to the gym till like literally 2 o'clock, which is curfew time, but don't tell nobody. Guys, I think I'm gonna buy this mirror because these are the ones that I was talking about that I saw on IKEA, right? And they were like $30 something to like $50, $60. 5,474. It's not terrible because if I was to buy it from IKEA and bring it in, it'd work out the same price, and that's a good size. I'd put this over my desk. Yeah. I'll be here to save the day. Cut my nails. Heidi! They look so good though. But she went out. These are my natural nails. I'm proud of them. Can y'all believe? Yeah, they look nice. And they match my sweater. But honestly, I thought I was gonna get like a nice clear top coat, and Heidi was just like, no girl.
My exact sentiments.
I'm not mad at them though, them cute bad. Yeah, because we're gonna do birthday nails in like how soon? Like
So we gonna from now.
so she was like, you know, just giving you a break, you know.
We're coming hard next week, look out.
Coming hard.
Real strong.
Real strong. The theme is what? Well, I don't know if we're gonna end up doing what like I want, like gold.
You probably get the gold.
I mean, I know because I always say, oh yeah, this bag of this and then.
And then you turn it into something different.
And then we're here, and then it's just not that. It's just not that. What is it giving?
What's it reading?
I need a ring light so bad. Can finally give the girls some skincare content and some, you know. Yeah, it's just this part. These three are working on. So these came up like after my skin started clearing up. But because I popped them, my fault. But otherwise, like right here, cleared up nice. But I need to get back like something from my spots though. I don't have anything now. I ran out of my retinol and I ran out of the dermalogical. But the dermalogical thing that I use on my skin cleared my skin pretty fast, to be honest. At first I was saying I don't feel like it do nothing, but then when I really look back, I'm like, girl, your skin looks good, you lying. And then I used the retinol after because I had like leftover, the CeraVe one. That's what I used. I had that leftover and I just went back to using that after the dermalogical, and it I think I'm gonna get back dermalogical, the dark spots thing, and they have a pre-cleanse balm too that I really love, but I think I can get that back. But I need to do some skincare shopping. Like I have some I have some stuff, but there's some that I got in sample sizes when I did my order that I definitely need to reorder because I really love them. But I think otherwise my skin looks good. Skin are gone. And I did not moisturize my face this morning. And my skin is still like have like a little glow. Period.
T-zone going on.
T-zone going. My skin used to be so oily. And then it went to dry. Now it's like balanced. I feel like we love that. We love that. Over here. I find I'm feeling nice though, and I won't lie.
Just nice.
My water did not you never tell me.
That's what you came to do.
No. Guys, I tried the Fosca oat milk. It's good. I'm gonna make some coffee, some chai latte. Y'all already know the vibe. How much time I said I'm gonna make coffee in a vlog? Or how many vlogs have I said it in? I just came off my Instagram stories. I did like some, like a little skincare update vibe on there. I don't show up on my Instagram stories a lot. So sometimes I really try to like show my face and not just like what I'm up to. You know what I mean? So I don't show my face a lot. But my hair is just doing its thing. I literally woke up like this, like dead ass. The only thing I did is wash my face and brush my teeth. That's it. I didn't show you guys my door, right? Because there's actually a mix up with the door that I collected from Rapid the last time. But this is actually the door that I went with. You guys can kind of see the design through the plastic. But this is the design I ended up going with. It's pretty simple. I do think though that I'm gonna put this part at the top, I think. Like this part with the two boxes at the top, and then the long part would go like, so it will be flipped. I think that's how I'm gonna put it. I think. We'll see. But this is like the storage room though. So I have my fan in here, my mirror, this one that's gonna go over my console table, and that's the one with like the zebra print. And I have like my TV mount and stuff underneath the bed, and then I have these two mirrors here. I got these mirrors some months ago, like months ago, but this one is one that I'm saying I was gonna try to put on my door. Okay, y'all, so this is the door, the new door in my room, right? You can see the old door behind it. This is a little bigger than the old one by 2 inches. So it's not going to be like drastically obvious, but it's only bigger by 2 inches. So when this goes on the bracket, of course it's not going to be directly on the floor. It's going to be raised up a little bit, so the bracket is going to end up going like literally right here. So initially I wanted it to go higher, right? But if it was to go higher, I would have to get a custom door, because doors are done by like 80 inches, I think, tall, and this is where that would stop. So I literally have to put the brackets right here, and then the door would hang from here. So my brackets are black, as you guys know. I'm contemplating putting the door in black, and I really think I will end up putting the door in black, because even though the mirror is gonna go on it, I feel like the black would just stand out more, because as you guys know, this whole wall is literally just going to be the TV on the wall and then the door, and when it slides, it's gonna slide to here, you know, it's gonna slide here, and then have the mirror on the back of the door. So when it slides over, it replaces my mirror that I had here. This, of course, this situation is gonna be moved to over there, so it's no longer gonna be here. So all of this is gonna be taken out, the mirror is gonna be taken off, and then it's the sockets and stuff are gonna be moved here. Hey guys, so I'm about to make some eggs. I'm about to make some eggs, and the first order of business is to finish editing my vlog because I haven't put it out yet, and I'm being dragged because of it. But yeah, I'm gonna put it out today. Like, today's not gonna pass if it don't go out. But honestly, like, I just think I really need a camera. Like, I need a vlog camera. Like, this is just, it's a lot. Like, logging on the phone and then trying to airdrop the footage to the, I don't need to bore y'all with all of that, but just know it's a lot, and just know that it's a very frustrating process. And sometimes when I'm late, it's because I just get very, very frustrated with everything that I'm doing, and it just throws me off. But I'm about to make an omelette. My mom made pancakes, so I might have probably 2 of those, and then I'm gonna edit my vlog, do some work, and then I need to go to the gym. I have not been to the gym in probably 2 weeks now, because you guys know I was going through the sore muscles and everything, and then now I need to put back the gym back into my routine. So I definitely need to go today. Like, I need to go today. My birthday weekend is next weekend, so my body needs to look right. I know it's like not a lot of time, but my body snaps that pretty quickly, if I may say so myself. Already feeling real skinny. A joke. But it's funny because it's so much easier for me to lose weight. I'm still trying to be consistent with my eating. I'm not eating properly still. Some days are good, some days not so good, but I'm still losing weight, which is good. But I know it's because my metabolism is back up because I'm working out. So I need to get back to working out and stuff and doing that. being consistent. Consistency is just my biggest thing right now in all aspects of my life. Being consistent, that is it, y'all. That is the goal. Consistency, all areas of my life, everything: friendship, work, YouTube, Instagram, content creation on a whole, eating food, eating breakfast, getting up at 9 o'clock, going to the gym every day. Consistency. That's the word of the day. That's the word of the week. Yeah, that's the word for the rest of the year, to be honest. But I am a work in progress, and that is okay. That is okay. You know. But let me know how you guys have been doing. Like, how has your past 2 weeks been? 2 weeks, right? Because I would have disappeared for 2 weeks. So how has your 2 weeks been? Like, how have you guys been? What y'all up to? What's new? I also need to post on my stories to invite you guys to my birthday thing too, because I haven't posted it yet, and I want y'all to be able to celebrate with me. I think that'd be cute. But anyways, guys, I'm making my iced coffee. Gonna make an omelette, pancakes, and then get to work. I'll see y'all on the flip side.